Okay, so this is a test. I'm just trying to get the audio balanced. This is me talking like normal. Again, I don't have a way to really monitor my own volume because I need something to plug in from my headset to the microphone, which now that I'm thinking about it, I totally might have a different setup. So I'm going to play around with this for just a second and see if you can hear me pretty well. Let's go out and try some guns. I just want to make sure the audio is balanced. Hello, hello. This is what I sound like. This is the audio. Hopefully it's balanced. Vehicle wreck. Ba 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 ba. Oh my gosh.